Welcome back. Angie Edge from Wisconsin Dairy Farmers is back with us for Cinco de Mayo, and you got a really cool recipe for us today.
Right. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Yes.
It's always a fun day to celebrate, and celebrating with Wisconsin cheese. A lot of people don't realize that Wisconsin is the leader in Hispanic-style cheeses. We have a lot of great companies producing Hispanic-style cheeses, and in fact, it's one of the most fastest-growing cheese categories that we have. So the queso quesadilla, the queso fresco, you may have heard of Oaxaca, cotija, all of those cheeses are like off the charts with Wisconsin cheese because they're such popular and there's a big demand for them.
And I can see this one being a favorite on the table too.
Exactly, and this one you can find almost in every grocery store in Madison. So you can find it at Hy-Vee, Festival, Costco. I know it's in my fridge all the time, but it's the V&V Supremo Chihuahua cheese, and it's a great melting cheese, and it's actually one of the most popular shredded cheese sold across the U.S. So
that's interesting.
Not only that, but it was a world winner at the World Championship Cheese Contest, so winning the Best of Class award. It's made actually in Wisconsin, of course. They have two plants, one in Browntown and one in Arena, but they're really known for their high-quality cheeses. Heritage, quality, and love are what they say on their package as the secret ingredients, but made by a Wisconsin master cheesemaker. So this really is the star of our recipe today.
And I see this all the time, and it's cool to hear a little of the history there.
A lot of people don't realize it's a Wisconsin favorite, so it has the world winner, the Wisconsin cheese, the master mark, and of course 60 years of heritage and tradition. So a great story of Wisconsin.
We love to hear that. And I mean, this just looks fantastic. It smells good.
Cinco de Mayo, so people like nachos and tacos. So we have a twist on that with the American nachos with tater tots.
Oh my gosh.
So the base layer has a layer of tater tots. They actually cook just according to the package. And then there is a homemade cheese sauce. That's a queso sauce that makes this with the queso quesadilla. So on your stovetop, you're gonna, you have butter and milk. You're gonna make it a little bit stiffer with some flour, and then add in the queso quesadilla cheese, the Chihuahua cheese, and you get this thick, creamy sauce that's ooey gooey. You can blend that all on top of your tater tots, and then you can have some fun. You can add more cheese. We have a little queso fresco. There's some chopped tomatoes, some chopped jalapenos, some cilantro. You can have guacamole, but anything you want for your Cinco de Mayo celebration.
I feel like this is such a Wisconsin dish here too. Like, it doesn't get any more Wisconsin than this.
Yes, Wisconsin tater tots and Wisconsin cheese. It's all the best things. And you can find this recipe on our website, wisconsincheese.com. It's a great way to support your local farmers and, of course, celebrate Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, what a great recipe for Cinco de Mayo. Angie, thanks so much for the recipe. We appreciate it.